Welcome back to Atomic Bytes. We're in our third installment of our timer project. So you may or may not have noticed our timer. In the last episode, we're dealing with seconds that don't turn over. So we've gotten this far of displaying minutes and seconds. Our seconds are not turning over. So we're going to go to our script and we're going to make a change here to our time value in seconds. We're working on the seconds line. We're going to use the modulo operator, and this will get our seconds to turn over. And then we're also going to simplify our print statement a little bit to just do minutes and seconds with a colon in between on our print statement, so just kind of condensing that a little bit. We do need to make sure that we leave a space on either side of the colon for displaying our values and our variables, so it's not all smashed together. And then you can go ahead and save your script. We'll update back here in Unity. And then I'm going to clear the console window and go ahead and run the game. We'll look at the game mode. And we can see here on our console window that we're getting, just to display, the first value on the left is minutes. And we've got a colon in the middle, and then our seconds on the right. And notice after a bit here, we can watch it turn over, and now our seconds are clearing back to 0, and we're going to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So kind of what we would expect or hope for with this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.